Hi, bbtechie here, and thank you for joining me. It's always a pleasure to bring to you something very educative, and I want you to know this is an awesome tutorial for video editor. So if you are one, you may want to stay glued to your chair and watch till the end of this video. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe, like, and don't forget to push the notification bell to receive all my incredible future videos. For questions concerning this tutorial, you may consider sending a message through the comment section below, and I will do my possible best to reply all your comments. Let's jump straight to the real business. As a video editor, you may have encountered this problem or will be encountering this problem as you continue working on new project. It's often frustrating when you have to trim and sync more than 5 hours audio files with an ambience recorded video from a massive church production or even events with long audio recording via sound mixer or related sound devices to enable one achieve high quality final audio output. It can be more frustrating when you are instructed to only trim and sync a portion of the video and audio files for video streaming platform like Vimeo, YouTube, or for social media campaign. But hey, good news! We have a solution to this problem with the help of a software called Plural Eyes from Red Giant, which is now acquired by Maxon, the developer of our very own famous Cinema 4D. This isn't a new software, it has been existent for quite some time now. You may have not heard of it or don't know the purpose of this software. I want you to know this isn't a free product. So, if you need something for free, you should try Syncaila or Q2Sync. Other great apps like Plural Eyes, Tentacle Sync, and Entangle for Avid are not for free. I believe after watching this tutorial, this problem would be a thing of the past. You should know we are only covering Plural Eyes, but the other software almost uses the same procedure and would help you achieve the same goal. Before we jump to our editing software, I want to take you through how to download the software from the Maxon website. And you should keep in mind, I haven't received any offer or promotion from Maxon. This is only for educational purposes. So let's open our web browser. Whatever web browser you have is going to work perfectly. Right here, sync in Premiere Pro. That is it. I don't know whether it works with other editing softwares like DaVinci or Final Cut or the rest, but what I know, it works perfectly with Premiere Pro. That is what you have it right over here. So what we're going to do is that we are going to look for the right thing to do. So this is the software. If you are watching the video, this is how it's going to work. Now let's try. Let's go to try. You need to obtain a license before you can use this product. So you have Windows over here, Mac OS, we have Linux. So let's jump and click on the download Maxon app. Okay, let's wait for it. You have it over here, sign in required. If you don't have an account, you're going to click on register as I have done it. Let's wait for it to open. Just so you have your first name, last name, email, password. Then you just move on. After you register, it's going to take you straight to your email address, and then whatever information they're going to send to you, just have to confirm your email, validate your email. You click on it, it's going to take you over here. Then you can go back to download your software. This time around, it's not going to ask you for sign in. Okay, so there you have it. You have it. Click on start download. So let's wait for it. And then you have to know that once you open the software, you will need to put in your login, the ones you use for registering the software before downloading it. There you have it over here, your email. After your email, you just put in your password and voila, it will start up. So there you have it right here. You're gonna have this welcome screen, but hey, no problem, just click and close it. So you have it over here, Cinema 4D. I have it already, I just have to update it. Okay, so once we have it installed, you can just open your search and then search for Plural Eyes, or you can even jump straight to Premiere Pro and you're gonna have it over there, because you're going to install a plugin to the Premiere Pro where you can sync the audio straight from the timeline, or you can just open the software over here and import all your footages and your audio files straight to the software without having any problem. Have a video, about 90-minute video and 1 hour plus sound that I want to use for this tutorial. Have it right here and I'm gonna put it. I just want you to know how it works and how easy it is to help you get all your works done with a single click, as I always say it. I'm just going to look for my files, the files I wanted to use for the tutorial. I have it right over here. I think I named it sync or something like that. Yeah, if not sync. Okay, syncing. All right, so this is my audio file. You can see it over here. It is 1 hour 21 minutes 30 seconds. That is the audio file which was recorded with a mixer. So I have my video file. Let me look at the property. Okay, we have it. Okay, it's 19 minutes 42 seconds. Hey, the only thing you can import your files from here, but hey, I always need the easiest way. So what I do is that I just select my audio and then my video, and I bring all of them straight, and then voila, I have everything over here. I don't have to go to files and import, I don't have time for that. So you just can have all this thing done, and then you are good to go. Let's wait for it. It is now preparing to synchronize. So once it's done, it is going 100%. As you can see, it's loading to 100%. Once it's complete, you click on synchronize and you are good to go. Good, we have it synchronized now. So what we're going to do is that we're going to click on synchronize and wait for the magic. Voila, you have it. With a single click, we have the audio and the video synced correctly. And if I should play this, you're gonna realize that the sound is together, everything is perfectly, and there is not gonna be any lip syncing. There's not gonna be anything that the sound is faster than the audio, than the video, or the video is faster than the audio. Not gonna have anything like that. I can just bring it here and start playing it. So yeah, there you have it. Okay, good. So there we have it. It is synced. And now what we can do now is that we are going to export our timeline to Premiere Pro. So we have it over here, export timeline. Then we come here. So here you can search, you can look for where you want to send your file to. So I have it over here, see users breakthrough, I have document, read, and then the rest. If I want to change the export, I can just change it, click over here, then I can send it straight to desktop or look for my syncing folder. Okay, so there I have it. Then save, export. Dude, I have it over here. Don't worry, it is always like this. So you're gonna have the XML document, and that should work perfectly in Premiere Pro without having any problem. Alright, so this is Premiere Pro 2021. I don't know which one you have, whether you have 2018, you have 2020, 2017, it should work perfectly. So I have this over here, already, so I'm just going to click on sync and then wait for it to open. Okay, so I don't have to worry about the sound. Okay, let me set the sound so we can hear whatever it will come out from the video and the audio. I think that's the reason why we're having this, so we can look for, I can just look for my audio device. What I have to do is I bring in my imported file from the Plural Eyes software. I have it over here as syncing. So once I have the syncing over here, you can see it has created a folder. So let's say a new bin, as Premiere Pro will suggest. So once I click in the new bin, there I have it over here. It is as a sequence. So you can just click on the sequence and voila, you have everything on it. So hey, what you have, you can just come here and then start.
Sister, and remember my best friend at home, because where we lived, my dad.
Good. We have everything synced. We can do everything right here in Premiere Pro. When you go here, you go to Windows, you go to extension, you have Plural Eyes over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to import my video and my audio. So what I'm doing is that I'll bring this over here. Let me go to sync. Okay, bring 077 007. Done my sample. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to create a new sequence with this video. Click on it. Good, I have it. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put the sound right under the audio ambience sound. Okay, so let me just put it over here. Yeah, okay, and bring everything back. Okay, so we have it over here. So now this sound is not synced correctly, but we need a sound to sync correctly. If I should play it, you see what I'm talking about.
I was born in what they would call during apartheid times.
Okay, so you know this is what I'm talking about. You know what we have, the beginning of our main great recorders audio is, you know, better than the ambience, and then you can see that what the main audio is playing is different from what the video is playing. That is not what we want. We want to sync it with the right sound. But how are you going to get this? You have to listen to this whole 1 hour, 30-minute sound to be able to indicate where the actual video has to be, which we don't have the time. So what we need is a software that will do the work for us, to resolve the problem for us, so that we don't have to spend a whole lot of time working on our project. So what we have to do is that we just come over here as we did earlier, then look for extensions, then we click on the Plural Eyes. We have it right over here. Okay, so this is what you're gonna have here. You're not gonna do anything. If you want, you can just open Plural Eyes right over here, but we don't want that. We just want to synchronize everything over here and just jump straight to our editing. So let's click on synchronize. You have it. So hey, this is wonderful. I just love doing tutorials like this. I just love what I'm seeing right over here. It is incredible, and you don't really have to, spend a lot of time syncing your video and your master audio together. It is, it takes a whole lot of time, and then it can even take the whole day, because you might have about 10 hours audio recorded from a mixer, and you don't know how to do this. So you need something incredible like this. So there we have it. You can start playing it, and then you're gonna notice the difference.
Foreign service officers, and it was during 92. Mandela was
so
released.
There you have it. So yes, that is it. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, can you subscribe to this channel, because there are a lot of tutorials that I'm gonna bring your way that you don't wanna miss it. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best on your new project. I know you're not gonna encounter any problem anymore. BB here. Bye bye.